Everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be discussing about how to trade in Binomo trading. As we all know, Binomo trading is one of the prime platforms where you get a chance to invest in different financial instruments and including cryptocurrency, and where you get a chance to trade and multiply your money. So let me tell you a brief overview of how this platform looks like. So when you create an account in Binomo Trading, you'll be able to see a demo account and a real account. So under demo account, you will be getting some amount where you can practice trading, and under real account, of course, you have to add your amount, and the minimum amount that is possible to be added to this account is 350 rupees, which is nothing but close to $5. And to start with, I would severely recommend all of you guys who don't have any idea of how to trade to use the demo account, practice over it, see how it works, and then go for trading with real money. So to start with, this is the interface which you will get even on the demo account and on the real account. So as you can see, the asset type over here, there are different types of assets we have. So these are foreign forex instruments, where you can see this is the Australian dollar and USD conversion rate. This is Japanese yen and dollars. Many other financial instruments, I guess, as you can see. It also you can also invest in stocks which are companies like IBM, eBay. You can also invest in gold. So coming back, as I told you, we can so in this video we will be talking mostly about cryptocurrency. So as we know, cryptocurrency is one of the major instruments nowadays, and as you can see over here, if you click on cryptocurrency, you'll be able to see that there are certain rates which you are able to see on the right hand side. So as you can see, just to show a demo, I'm using my own account, and this is the investment value. That is, I'm investing around 70 rupees. This is the strike price, and what is 2% on VIP, I'll explain later. On the right hand side below, you can see there's an up arrow and a down arrow, and you can see on the graph there is a time to buy option. Now time to buy is nothing but the time in which you have to make your decision whether you predict that the price is going to go up or going to come down, and expiration is the time till which that particular prediction will hold good, and once that time is expired, it will decide whether your prediction is correct or not. If your prediction is correct, then as you can see on the right bottom, that on the up and down arrow, you can see 128.10. that means you invest 70 rupees and you get 128.10. Now, how to understand, how to predict that how these prices will behave. Now all these trading platforms are all based on supply and demand. People who know finance can understand this very simple concept, and also people who are not, for them the simple language, in a simple language, if I try to explain, it means supply and demand. Whenever the supply increases, obviously the price comes down, and whenever the demand increases, the price goes up, right? So as you can see over here on the right hand side, there is a meter. Right bottom, there is a meter. Just next to the green and red, there is a meter which shows how much percentage the green is and how much percentage the red is. That is kind of an inner analytics tool which Binomo gives us, where we can see that Binomo tries to predict what can be the possible rise or fall in the price. So let's say if you see, so without wasting much time, let's start. And since we can see 30 seconds are left, I would severely recommend, don't take a decision in a hurry. Wait for the last second and see how it behaves, how the pattern is changing. 16 seconds left. And be cautious about the right hand meter. So as you can see, the green is showing more. I'll take my decision. I decide that the price is going to go up, so I click on up, and you can see on the graph I've invested 70 rupees. I am going to get a profit. The price is actually going up. Yes, now it falls down. Yep, it's fluctuating, but the moment this price will get expired, the red line, once the meter crosses this red line, it will decide whether I win or not. As you can see, my prediction was right. I got 128.10 and my balance has increased. So I hope you have got a fair amount of idea. If not, then you can directly contact me on my website www.sanjogsaran.com. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.